Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have some thrilling news for all travel enthusiasts. Sandals Resorts International has recently announced the highly anticipated reopening of their meticulously renovated property, Sandals Dunns River, located in the mesmerizing region of Jamaica. If you are in search of the ideal destination for your upcoming holiday or honeymoon, look no further. Join us as we delve into the captivating details. Don't forget to check the link in the video description for exclusive discounts and special offers available for Sandals Dunns River Resort. By clicking on the link, you can unlock amazing deals and packages that will make your dream vacation even more affordable. After an extensive period of redesign and renovation, Sandals Dunns River is ready to reclaim its position within the esteemed Sandals Resorts family. The property has undergone a comprehensive transformation, boasting novel suite designs, exclusive dining concepts, and awe-inspiring vistas of Jamaica's pristine natural beauty. The resort is located in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. This breathtaking resort is situated just 5 miles from the Ian Fleming International Airport, ensuring a convenient and hassle-free arrival for our guests. This reopening holds a profound significance as it stands as a testament to the late founder of Sandals Resorts, Gordon Butch Stewart. It was here, at Sandals Dunns River, that his visionary spirit came to life over 3 decades ago. This final endeavor epitomizes Mr. Stewart's extraordinary legacy and his unwavering dedication to providing unparalleled hospitality experiences. Now, let us explore the sublime accommodations that await guests at Sandals Dunns River. The resort offers an exquisite selection of luxurious suites, including the incomparable Tufa Sky Pool Butler Suites, featuring innovative glass panels affording endless vistas of the ocean. Additionally, the Coyaba Swim-Up Rondoval Butler Suites provide an idyllic retreat with open-air rooftops, private soaking tubs, and breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding botanical wonders. One of the highlights of your stay at Sandals Dunns River Resort is the exceptional culinary experience. With a variety of gourmet restaurants on site, you'll embark on a culinary journey like no other. Indulge in delectable dishes prepared by top chefs using the freshest ingredients. From savory Caribbean flavors to international cuisines, there's something to please every palate. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic candlelit dinner on the beach or a casual bite by the pool, the resort offers a range of dining options to satisfy your cravings. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure that will leave you wanting more. From the tantalizing flavors of traditional Jamaican cuisine to international specialties, Sandals Dunns River Resort takes dining to a whole new level. Savor the richness of authentic jerk chicken, indulge in succulent seafood, or treat yourself to sumptuous desserts that will delight your senses. And don't forget to pair your meals with the finest wines and handcrafted cocktails from the resort's bars and lounges. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply appreciate exceptional dining experiences, Sandals Dunns River Resort guarantees a feast for your taste buds. Discerning connoisseurs will delight in the extraordinary culinary offerings at Sandals Dunns River. With 12 global gourmet restaurants, each boasting its own distinctive concept, guests can embark on a gastronomic journey like no other. From the harmonious fusion of French and Jamaican flavors to a captivating Greek-inspired menu and an exquisite Asian fusion restaurant, the resort caters to every Epicurean desire. And let us not forget the beloved favorites such as Zuka and the Jerk Shack, ensuring a delectable array of options. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the resort's picturesque beach, a veritable oasis of pure bliss. Enveloped by powdery white sands and crystalline turquoise waters, guests can luxuriate under the shade of elegantly appointed umbrellas, sip tropical libations, and partake in an array of water-based activities, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, and sailing. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the resort's picturesque beach, a veritable oasis of pure bliss. Enveloped by powdery white sands and crystalline turquoise waters, guests can luxuriate under the shade of elegantly appointed umbrellas, sip tropical libations, and partake in an array of water-based activities, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, and sailing. For those dreaming of an unforgettable destination wedding or a romantic honeymoon, Sandals Dunns River offers an array of exclusive services. The resort provides a complimentary free tropical wedding package for couples who book a minimum stay, meticulously arranging all the essentials for a truly remarkable ceremony. Newlyweds can indulge in a complimentary honeymoon package, replete with special privileges and exceptional experiences, setting the stage for lifelong memories. Now, let us delve deeper into the remarkable accommodations that await guests at Sandals Dunns River. The resort offers an exquisite selection of luxurious suites, meticulously designed to provide the utmost comfort and indulgence. The Tufa Sky Pool Butler Suites stand as the pinnacle of opulence, offering an unparalleled experience. These remarkable suites feature innovative glass panels that extend from the floor to the ceiling, offering uninterrupted views of the breathtaking ocean vistas. With a private infinity edge plunge pool and a spacious balcony, guests can bask in the warm Caribbean sun while enjoying the tranquil beauty of their surroundings. Another enchanting option is the Coyaba Swim-Up Rondoval Butler Suites. These unique circular suites provide an intimate and secluded retreat, perfect for couples seeking privacy and romance. Set amidst lush tropical gardens, these luxurious accommodations boast open-air rooftops, private plunge pools, and expansive patios, allowing guests to unwind and revel in the natural beauty that surrounds them. For those desiring a serene escape, the Crystal Lagoon Swim-Up Suites offer direct access to the resort's stunning crystal-clear lagoon pools. Step out of your suite's patio, and you'll find yourself immersed in the refreshing waters, creating a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor living. The generously appointed Millionaire Suites provide an extraordinary setting for an unforgettable vacation. These expansive suites feature separate living areas, elegant furnishings, and a private balcony or patio, allowing guests to relax in style and comfort. And for guests seeking the perfect balance of luxury and affordability, the Riviera Bamboo Grove Premium Accommodations offer a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Nestled amidst the lush bamboo grove, these well-appointed rooms provide a peaceful haven for rest and rejuvenation. No matter which suite you choose, guests of Sandals Dunns River can expect exceptional amenities and world-class service, including 24-hour room service, personal butler service, and luxurious bedding ensuring a restful night's sleep. Before we conclude our tour, don't forget to check the link in the video description for exclusive discounts and special offers available for Sandals Dunns River Resort. By clicking on the link, you can unlock amazing deals and packages that will make your dream vacation even more affordable. As we conclude our journey through the exquisite Sandals Dunns River Resort, we can't help but imagine what the future holds for Sandals Resorts. With a legacy built on providing unparalleled luxury, exceptional service, and breathtaking locations, Sandals continues to redefine the concept of all-inclusive luxury. Looking ahead, Sandals Resorts has exciting plans to expand its portfolio, introducing even more remarkable destinations and innovations. From pristine beachfront properties to exotic island retreats, Sandals aims to create unforgettable experiences that cater to every traveler's desires. With a commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship, Sandals Resorts is also leading the way in responsible tourism. They continuously strive to minimize their ecological footprint while supporting local communities and preserving the natural beauty of their locations for generations to come. Whether it's lounging by the pool, indulging in world-class dining, or embarking on thrilling adventures, Sandals Resorts continues to set the standard for luxury travel. With their unwavering dedication to excellence, guests can expect nothing less than extraordinary experiences at each and every resort. So, whether you're dreaming of a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a blissful honeymoon, Sandals Resorts invites you to embark on a journey where luxury knows no bounds. Prepare to be immersed in breathtaking beauty, unparalleled comfort, and unrivaled service that will create memories to last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Sandals Dunns River and catching a glimpse into the future of Sandals Resorts. Until next time, may your travels be filled with extraordinary moments and unforgettable adventures.